Hello beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Persona lip glosses. I went ahead and bought the kit, which is the 3 little lip glosses that she just launched. This is her latest product that she went ahead and launched in her cosmetic line. I have bought everything Persona, which is Sona Gaspiar, the founder of Persona, has launched, except the highlighters, because I'm not like a highlighter person. Otherwise I would have bought those highlighters, but I'm tempting to probably buy them, but so far it's like I haven't seen myself an urge to buy them because again, I'm not a highlighter person. But everything else I have bought, from her palettes, eyeshadow palettes, to her matte lipstick, liquid matte lipsticks, and this latest product that she just went ahead and launched, which is her lip glosses. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just tell you straight off the bat, just not to make this video very long, that I love these lip glosses. These lip glosses are very high shine, like she states in her website. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, they have avocado, they're very clean in regarding to the ingredients that actually went in to try to make these lip glosses. I like the fact that they're not sticky at all in your lips. They do have some glitter on them, but it's not too rough, the glitter. When you rub your lips, you can feel the glitter. You really don't feel the glitter. They're very fine. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I have Toffee right now in my lips, which I love. All of these 3 colors, as you can see, they're very neutral. All of them, even though you can see them, they're neutral, they do have some pigmentation on them, so when you apply them, you'll be able to tell that you have some lip gloss. They make your eyeshadow or your makeup look very natural, and I like the fact that she went ahead and made these 3 lip glosses shades, because normally these are the lip glosses that we use when we go out to school, when we go out to work. We don't end up using like a, you know, purple lip gloss or a red lip gloss or an orange or fuchsia lip gloss. We actually end up using these colors. So I like the fact that she went ahead and thought of it and created these lip glosses that are more neutral for us to use on a daily basis for school, work, or any special occasion. And I really love the formula of these lip glosses, again, because they're not sticky. I like the fact that it has the little glitters, but you cannot feel them in your lips when you are rubbing them. They're not like, you don't feel that grind. And I like also the scent. It has this like vanilla, nice sweet scent to it. I really love it. And also it hydrates your lips, so once the lip gloss has, you know, faded away from your lips, you can feel your lips very moisturized. So I love that, and that's due to the avocado. So I really enjoyed these lip glosses. I'll be putting here a video exactly how each of the shades actually look in my lips. The shade that I am in foundation, I use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in shade 190, which is this. So if you have this foundation, or this is the shade that you wear, then you can already know exactly how this lip glosses will look on you. I really do recommend this lip glosses to anyone who's looking to have some neutral lip glosses that are not sticky, and they're lip high shine, and they're moisturizing to your lips. They're good for you. They're gluten-free, they're vegan, they're cruelty-free. And I really recommend this lip glosses if you haven't tried them. They're very good. You will not feel them sticky at all in your lips. And I will go ahead and put a code here that I have for you guys to go ahead and use, so you can get some discount. When you do get a discount, I believe I also get some discount or something like that. So I'll go ahead and insert it just in case if you haven't tried this lip glosses and you're curious to try them, then you can go ahead and use it and get some discount and buy them. And I also, if you do end up buying this lip glosses, go ahead and leave it in the comment below of this video. Let me know exactly what do you think of the product, if you like it. I so far love everything that Persona has created. Persona is a makeup artist, where she's a professional makeup artist. I believe she used to do makeup for magazines, shootings, and also for bridals and stuff like that. So I mean, she has a lot of knowledge in regarding to makeup, because she dealt with so many different brands that obviously all that knowledge actually helped her create her own makeup line. I hope you guys end up liking this video. I hope this video was useful to you guys, and if you actually like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and I'll be seeing you into another review product of another brand, I guess makeup product that I might end up buying, and sharing here with you guys my opinion on the product, whether I like it or hate it. Until then, I hope you guys like this video. Bye.